Hello, sweetheart. Yes. I will come by the end of the month. I know we are going to spend quality time together in my mansion. As usual, you know. Yes. I need it more than you do. You know I miss you. No problem. What? Okay, don't worry. I will send you the money. But please, don't call at odd hours like this. I was actually with my wife on bed. I had to sneak out to the living room to answer this call. Yes. Yes. Okay, don't worry, we'll see, Yeah. Babe, I love you more. You know it. Mwah. You are this flow. You will give you. Okay, let me go back so that she will not notice, okay? And we'll talk tomorrow. Alright, bye-bye.
The mechanic called again.
What did you say?
Honey, stop these games already. It's unfashionable and obsolete. Stop.
Woman, what are you talking about? Huh? I just answered an international call.
And your bedroom is not conducive for your international call.
I am tired. I'm not caught up for this night. Let us sleep, please.
Listen, I've told you, bring her in. Make her your second, fourth, third, fifth wives. I don't care. Just bring them. Wherever she is. Let's get acquainted on time.
Woman, I just told you that I answered an international call. I didn't call any woman. Neither am I planning to marry another woman. Okay? Please. I'm not caught out for this.
Sorry.
This is too much. Okay? As a matter of fact, you have to sleep alone. Because I'm tired of this your nagging, incessant nagging, bringing issues that are not necessary. What is this? Sleep alone. Let me go and sleep on the couch.
You know what? Continue with your international calls. Okay? When you're done, come back to me. I'll be waiting.
Hey, my G. What's up?
Hey.
I'm ready. Hey, correct babe. Where you go? I do. Where you go now? Now your house they go like this.
You know your house they come from. I reach your house, your man say you not dey. I say you come out. I say make I come find you.
Waiting happen now, waiting they sup now. Any better. I don't see flags for your hand, no food.
Better day. See, you go do me one favor. That's your school certificate. I need them.
My junior wife.
I want you to go find job. Yes.
Hey. Time don't reach for that work wait tell me.
And that cleaner job at you don't reach.
Confirm. I no fit wait. You know say we need that salary.
Yes, so,
we
yes,
need to
so.
dey die.
Yes,
dey
so.
die.
Yes,
confirm. Wait, I just dey try reason one or two. In case you no remember, na junior WAEC I get then the junior WAEC find work for this country.
No be village we dey. The man say make I bring certificate. Whether na junior, whether na senior, certificate na certificate. You know say I be get primary school certificate. Na rat chop my name come out. But don't worry, my guy now you go understand. Just borrow me your make I use to go find job.
But wait. You know say you na my G, my manest G. I no go like do something wey fit land you enter gbege. I dey reason this matter. My junior WAEC na man name dam. How you want take explain yourself when you reach there? Say na you get junior WAEC wey man name dey inside.
But for no worry. When I reach the bridge, I go cross am. You see this country where we dey so, now who no man they get job. This result that they say make I bring, now make it be say I drop something. Let me they say make I bring result. They not gonna even use them. More they go.
That bridge, not only you go cross am, I fit no dey there to help you cross am.
No, I know what you make me cross am before. What did they do with cane for your hand?
You don't forget. A masquerade parade now. Make man for seafood chop. Anybody will know, they go collect.
Right, they get collect. You know they shame. As you big rich, old rich, instead of to go find work, it's a masquerade they do. They work about.
You know happy say they do legit hustle. Make I go they kidnap people. Now that I go kidnap you, join no.
I bet time they go.
Nah, that one way.
I bet this one not legit. You can't go give me your certificate.
Legit
Time no
work
day.
After all, you they go find work now.
Okay, this your office fine, no. I like the AC.
Wait. Ofonakwe Jude Uwa. I don't understand. Is this a certificate?
Ofonakwe Jude Uwa. Now my friend get them. No be me get them. See, this my friend. So his mama and my mama are best friend. My mama don't die, but his mama still there alive. But she know well, stroke hold.
Wait, Rose. What's the meaning of this? This is not even your certificate.
Okay, no say no be me get them. Now cleaner work now you dey find results. Cleaner work where I go use my hand do sharp. I know this speak English give the dirty before the dirty go come out.
I asked you to get me any of your certificates, not someone else's. What am I going to do with this?
Okay, use them. This my friend where get this result, so you no get work now. You can buy you dey do follow the worker for town. You don't even need the result. Use them. Sure.
Anyway. Bill, there are other things that you can actually offer.
I don't offer you result.
No. Let's leave out this result, okay? Let's forget about this. After all, you're a beautiful lady. So, you're a beautiful girl, so you don't need to put more of this.
You dey mad? You dey craze? Now, not understand, you no get sense. You no dey fear face. But because I can't find you a job, you won't touch me. I don't understand.
I'm so bad. Is something wrong with you? How dare you slap me in my office? Are you crazy?
Let me you slap. Mark Clay, don't buy my
Get out of my office. Secretary!
Let me you slap.
Get out of my office.
Let me you slap.
Out of my office now!
What's going on?
Get out!
Don't worry.
Nonsense. Secretary! Come and take this nonsense out of my office. Take it. Nonsense.
That man no fear. He get mind. Slap me. What they I go bring down that company. You never know who I be. All these useless men. Don't worry. Offer. Come. That useless man. You know that man what they said they go to your office? The man no fear. He touched my breast. This man even slapped me joy. That useless man. You see your result.
Huh?
Make we dey go that place. Make we dey go there.
Wait first. See, that ending part of results. I beg, where the junior WAEC results where I give you?
Not be I tell you. I said the man see Zam. Because he won't try to sleep with me and no agree.
Hey, wait. They tell me say somebody for this town, for this whole area, get mind touch my rosé breast.
Nah, no be small thing no.
Come collect my junior WAEC result.
You see that?
Hey, Ara, what day?
Make we dey go.
See, wait. Make I go collect my masquerade cloth so that as we dey go, the gods of this land go follow us go. And they come, just hold on. Wait. Who be that person? Who born monkey? My rosé breast. Now that man get mind the touch. Come seize my only result, my junior WAEC result for this village, for this town. Fire go burn. There is fire on the mountain. Everybody dey run. And the bomb will not.
Ofo na nwa Jude. Rosemary go put you for trouble. My hand no dey. Hey, you wan go carry masquerade this thing? No wahala. Na so now. Na the day wey go put you for trouble. My hand no dey. Count me out.
Come out and face me, idiot! Stupid, foolish man! Come out and face me if you are man enough! Nonsense, stupid man! Look at you!
Philo?
Eh?
Philo?
Yes!
Give me that phone.
Eh?
Give me that phone.
You say what?
Huh? So you have done it again? You have started changing old men again?
Thunder will fire that mouth that you're using to say nonsense. May thunder strike it open, idiot! And if I follow men, what happen? Eh? If I follow men, what will happen? Okay. Oh, the only thing I know you'll be able to do is to go about the entire village telling them that I'm following men. And so what? Eh? You have the mind. Eze, you have the mind to use your stupid belt on me. You can't even buy me a cream, yet you have the mind to touch me. Thunder will fire you.
Philo?
Thunder will fire you.
Philo?
Eh?
So you have the mind to make nonsense phone call in my presence?
Hey.
Huh?
See what joblessness is causing. If you were not jobless, will you be here to know that I'm making calls? Go out and work!
Philo?
This phone that my sugar daddy, my big daddy bought for me, you want to seize it? In our poor life, something wrong with you. Try it!
What's the sugar?
I said try it and see!
Eze, oh. Your younger brother just fell down from a palm tree and broke his.
Hey! Bam! No! Where?
At Mazibeko's compound.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Stupid man! Family of broken screw tooth. Useless man, come and beat me now! You want to collect the phone that your mates bought for me? Foolish idiot! Madman! Come! That's why your family will keep getting that food. Idiot!
You are not going with us to the village. You have to stay back and take care of the call.
But why? They're my daughters. We're talking about my daughters. I need to be there for them. My own daughters who have not been to this country for a very long time. They're returning from the United Kingdom. Who am I supposed to leave them with? Chief, I know what I am talking about.
You don't know what you're talking about. And by the way, why this sudden change of mind? I know you don't like traveling, particularly to the village. So why are you changing your mind now?
I'm not disputing that fact. Yes, I'm not. But they are my daughters and I am their mother. I'm supposed to be there for them, to take care of their needs. There are so many things they won't ask you of. They don't know how to make African dishes. And I know they won't ask you to do that because you don't know how to cook.
Can't you see that you've contradicted yourself?
I know how.
First you said they are adults, right? And I told you earlier that I can take care of my daughters.
You cannot. I am their mother.
You are not going, and that is fine.
My baby, so. Amumo. Freedom. Bring out the mic. Get up in my pennies. Oh God. My break. Ay, Amuma. My gongorita. Sorry. I warned you. I warned you, but you would never listen to me. As if I knew that something like this will happen. You would never listen. Now just look at it. What am I going to do? Sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Eze, are you trying to tell me that his scrotal sac has been torn?
What kind of question are you asking?
In team break.
Hey!
What are you even asking? You have seen what has happened to you. You are still asking. Sorry. Please, help me to call Nayata. Please, tell him to come.
Hey!
Let him come with you, please.
Brother is begging me.
I know. Sorry.
Omuka, you'd have protected here and allow everywhere to break now. You'd have protected this place for me. No.
No, Chief. No. No, don't agree. Don't let her come with you people. If she comes, she's going to ruin everything. She'll ruin our plans now. Of course. Listen, Chief. We just have to spend time together. Just both of us. And we don't want disturbances now. Yes. I miss you. I miss you, Big Daddy. I know. Yes, I saw the alert. Thank you for the money. Can't wait to touch your beards. You know I enjoy touching it. And I've missed touching it too.
Don't worry, okay? Yes, I will soon come. I'll soon come to the village. As soon as my daughters come, once they arrive the country, we'll plan for our coming over to the village. Don't worry. They are not problems at all. I mean, they know that their father is a guy man. Yes, they know I have to change oil from time to time. I mean, I've been eating eba, pounded yam, egusi, banga soup. But now I need to change to jollof rice, fried rice, coleslaw. You know what I mean? Yes. Oh, come on. I can't wait to hold that your round waist, you know. Yes. Okay. Don't worry, I'll send with you, okay? Yes, I'll send you some money. All right. Bye. Oh.
Who dead here? I want peace, so una no fear. Una get mind arrest the gods. Una keep the ancestors for self. Una no know that the gods na sit down for here. The gods they hungry, oh. The gods they hungry and you want peace joy. Una no arrest person wey try to rape me. Na we wey dey innocent, now na go arrest.
If I hear say police na your friend, see as hunger wan tear my belle for here, or throw person enter here like say we be chicken.
You sef, you and your juju no get levels. Because if to say una get level, you for show power, you for do something make we vanish comot from this place, we for show these people better film. You no get doings at all, your juju no get steez.
Ojuju wey hungry wan kill, na him go vanish. Where strength wey dey use vanish?
Abi, no be lie. Hunger go kill us before rescue go come. Which kind wahala be this? Who dey there? Make una go remove us from here now. We get power, so we get spiritual powers. We go vanish comot from this place, so. We dey hungry. The gods dey hungry. Who dey there?
I no follow. Make person no come beat us here. From the ancestors and powers.
Our brother is coming back. Oh.
You mean Chief?
Yes. He told me last night on phone that he's coming back with his 2 children.
Oh, coming back with his children.
Yes.
Let me tell you one thing. Since these people became adult, I've not seen any of them.
Forget that. What is my business with that? But that is not why I'm telling you of his return.
Then tell me why you are telling me of his return.
We need to do something. How can he be making much money and we are here in the village suffering?
But he has been helping us. He employed our children. And our children is working for him. And he pays them handsomely. So I don't see anything wrong with that.
Oh, forget that. Look, what if we take his company and properties and kick out that his wicked wife? After all, she doesn't have a male child for him. Think like a man, Kano. Think.
Maz, I'm thinking, it seems you are making sense in this scene.
Oh, now you understand what I mean.
Okay, I've had you. So,
oh, him now.
Amaka. Good morning, ma. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I know you're sleeping with my husband. I know what has been going on in this house. You don't have to be scared, okay?
Sorry, ma. Please.
No. I know why he is doing that, but it's fine.
Sorry, ma. I didn't have anything. So sorry, ma.
Get a breakfast ready.
Okay, ma.
Uka, why do you want to resign? Huh? Have we treated you unfairly in this house? Oh, come on. Look, your resignation is not approved, okay? I'm going to double your salary. So you just stay put.
I appreciate, sir, but I want to resign.
Oh, okay, tell us why. You are not telling us why you are resigning. You are barely a month here in this house. So why are you resigning? Tell us. Huh?
Ukamaka, may I know why you're resigning?
Please, ma, I just want to resign. Please.
This is ridiculous. Huh? You mean Uka is gone?
Yes. She left this morning.
That girl is naive. And she's very good in the kitchen.
You're right. Everywhere.
But why didn't she tell me before leaving? Huh? I would have given her some money. Something is troubling that girl.
Maybe. I don't know.
Lunch is ready.
Lugard. Sorry. I'm not hungry now. Thank you.
Okay, are you fine? You look sad.
Well, yes, yeah. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Okay. Ma, I'll be inside in case you need anything.
It's okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Oh.
Lunch is ready and your food is in the kitchen.
Wait till you cook.
I beg your pardon?
Okay, wait till you cook or see I beg your pardon. Ordinary English, wait till you cook.
Food.
Abokane, nonsense again. I've seen, say you don't get pride. Look at this one, where they employ. Ole Iwani. Come, next time if I ask you question, try to answer me direct and simple. Wait till you cook, Oga.
Paul, let me come down to your level. You dey ask me wetin I cook based on say you be my oga, abi you be my madam. Abi my employment letter, na your hand, na e dey, na you sign am.
Normal. I know say na ordinary man wey I be, but still remember say na common cook wey you be. Understand? See, next time if I ask you question, answer me because na small thing dey vex me. And moreover, I no dey eat anyhow food.
I no dey cook anyhow. You hear me? I be international chef. I no dey cook anyhow. See, when hungry catch you, you come kitchen, come carry your food. But when ulcer near you, you go rush, come carry am.
Now, look at this boy. I want nonsense. Oh, tomato get down here. Just be. Hope you do. Now to go before this boy go finish his food, sir.
From the look of it, people like say our helpers don't miss road. Person wey supposed to come carry us come out for here, you know they come again. How far now? Your guy no show again.
Now make I chop first before I faint.
You shall be making sharp first before you faint. Don't be my shout, now I carry the bread come. If you say I no shout now, hunger for kill you and your juju.
Come on. I think say you get a big auntie. Your mama last sister, how far?
Oh, Auntie Julie. I beg free that one. That one no send anybody. He no send me. Even if I die for yourself, she no still send me. And as I dey like this, anything wey make me carry for call that woman, mama die. I no try am. Make she just dey where she dey. Everybody just pump me for where dem dey. And nothing concern me concern am.
I don't reason this matter since so. You get rich people, but they no wan help you solve any problem. Sure say you no go for deliverance. It be like say you get spirits wey dey follow you.
You wey get people for abroad, okay and Ikena. And I know say they do very well. Why they never help you? Sure say you also you no need deliverance. Now let us do Ojuju Calabar work, now you sabi. You no get levels at all. You and your Juju no get doings. This bread wey you dey shop, now if not be me, arrange make the bread come. How the bread for take come? And na my last card I take buy am. If you no know. So I get levels past you.
And they regret why I follow you go that office.
Me, I dey regret why I carry your result go find work because na FF full am.
At least I try get junior WAEC. You wetin you get?
I no understand. People dey talk. You sef you wan talk. Your WAEC result get levels. E get levels. Then you know you can go find work for your company.
But Rosie, I just dey reason now. Wetin make me go write junior WAEC in the first place?
And the same thing me and you dey talk. Say that your junior WAEC no get levels. Because ordinary cleaner work sef you no fit use am take final. You just go waste your energy go write that exam. Wasted effort.
Oya, make una comot there. Oya, person don come there. Oya. My guy don show. The gods have done it.
The gods?
Mo put to hammer on before they go knock door.
You see? Onka, your brother have been warning you to stop climbing palm tree, Edo. You refused. Go to Onitsha and better your life. Edo, you refused. Now see the condition. See what you have done to yourself. Hi. Uncle, thank God you're a witness that I've been begging him to stop.
I've been begging him to stop and leave this village. Onyebuchi, my friend in Onitsha, wanted to teach him good trade that would better his life. But he refused. Look at it. Achara has even confirmed that your testicles are broken.
Hey!
You cannot pregnant any woman anymore. Ogwara, it's finished.
Hey! God, what is this now?
Hey! Hey! So, what I heard is true. Onka, your blockers is gone. Hey! But wait, oh, did you people confirm if the blockers is still there? Then
Come from there. You think you are talking there? But however, what do you want to see?
The rumor is everywhere that he lost his blockers. He broke his blockers.
He broke it!
Hey, now, did you confirm it?
The shape shows that it's broken.
Hey!
Yeah. It's like you are a clown. You think you are playing here? You don't know. Stop it, oh.
Did I say anything funny here now? I just asked if she confirmed the blockers is still there or not. And she said it has. Did you try to see if it will?
I'm super excited. I can't wait to go to the village and explore.
I love this food. It's delicious, Mom.
Yeah, really.
I miss African food. Oh my God.
They're so happy.
I'm seeing
Listen, you just got here, so you need to relax first. Okay?
Yes,
From
Mom.
going down to the village.
We cannot wait, We cannot wait to tour this village, Mom. Yeah.
I can't wait. Mom, when are we going? By the way? Please, one thing at a time. We just got here.
Maybe you're going to the village in 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks' time, Mom. That's far. I can't wait.
We are so happy.
Yes,
Of
we
course
are.
they are.
Dad said he's on his way home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. So let's eat first.
We tour the town, we make
Right.
shopping, and we go down to the village to see your village and
That's my mommy.
all the trees and monkeys. And
Yes, Mommy. I can't wait to see
and
nature.
enough of this gist.
Yeah, I love to go to
Now,
this
girls, tell me, how was your journey like?
Fine, Auntie. Our dad is on his way coming back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
The trip was really fantastic, Mom.
Yes.
I enjoyed every bit of it. It's so exciting.
That's my girl. Okay, let's eat, please. Table manners.
Okay. Sorry. I'm enjoying this meal.
I can see.
Yeah.
See, I don't dey warn you. If I say you wan die young, abi you dey find 1,000 reasons to die. Why can't you leave Oga daughter's one? Ke you and Oga daughter's one kegini? What is wrong with you? See Oga daughters them wey enter this country how many days ago? You don't dey chook eye for guy. So I'm just trying to advise you.
Paul. Are you through with your nonsense as usual?
Paul, nonsense. See person wey I wan save o.
Guy, do you know that I'm trying to save your life here?
Paul, do you know we are not mates? Do you know?
Guy, leave age. Age has nothing to do with this. Guy, wetin be your own? You wan die young. See, Oga no dey carry those children play. You see in daughters them, you know they carry them play. Their cream, na your 3 years salary. Abi you know they see their skin.
Paul, as usual, let me come down to your level. Because you know this is your level. This is your level. Paul, I'm not well. I'm not well. I dey tell you, I'm not well, Paul. As you dey see me so, Paul, I'm not well. I'm not well. All this uniform when I wear so, I just take cover character. See, any day when you carry this your face when like monkey when lick lime, come open this your rubbish mouth, they talk to me anyhow for this house. See, Paul, you don't know me. Now me they tell you say you don't know me. If you know me, you not go even think am. See, make I tell you, I go cook osa give you. They not they buy osa for market. Now hungry they bring am. I go make sure say you and osa na roommate. You and osa, your osa go be your best man. Shebi you don't go wedding before. You dey see where best man they follow who they wed. Now so osa go they follow you. See, Paul, just try am. Try am next time. You be fool for talking to me anyhow. Paul.
True, this boy no well. See, listen to me. I got my eyes on you. Shay, you see for this house. You know where? Me, Paul, I know where too. I got my eyes on you. You see me say you well, you know where. Me, I know where too. Don't worry.
Your husband doesn't want you to go to the village with them.
Yes, Amaka.
He doesn't. He's still adamant and I don't know why. I'm a bit confused.
How will Somto and Samadna cope without you? They have been yearning to be in the village.
Who is going to monitor them? Oh, aren't you getting what I'm saying? He refused. He doesn't want me to go with them.
I strongly believe Chief is up to something. Yes. I strongly believe so.
Why do you say that?
Do you still remember that your cook, Philomena?
Philomena? Yes, what about her?
Don't you think he is still communicating with her?
I beg your pardon?
Use your head.
Summer, you know we're here to get rid of Jake, right?
Jake is a scum. I'm trying to get rid of him. Yes. And all the memories.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you know I warned you about him, right? I warned you, but your problem is that you easily fall in love and that's not cool. It's not. Seriously.
He's tall, dark skinned and intelligent. What do you expect me to do? He's a spec and a gentleman.
No. Don't say that. He's not a gentleman. He's not. Okay? Gentlemen don't do that. They don't treat women like trash. They don't break their hearts. They don't do that. You know what gentlemen do? They take care of their women and they appreciate whatever it is they feel for them, okay? It's not cool. He's not a nice guy. Stop defending him.
Okay, I made this specially for you ladies. Specially for you.
What is it?
Is pineapple and carrot.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
You will love it.
Looks good.
Yes. You care for some?
I don't want, thank you.
That's my older sister, summer dinner.
Okay.
Don't mind her. She's like that sometimes.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah, it's really good. Tastes good. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
I'm Chef Lugard. I'm always at your service. Okay?
Soma, what is wrong with you? Come on. Look, you need to cheer up sometimes, okay? Stop doing this. You want to have a test?
Have a what?
A test.
Taste of
It's
what?
really
A
good.
shit.
You're gonna like
Hello?
it. Okay, that reminds me. What about our tour? You've said nothing about it. Come on. Say something.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh, okay. It's okay. It's cool.
If you like say na firewood business, I go enter. Oh. Everywhere where I go, say make I go find job. All these men won't sleep with me. Eh? Even as I dey jaga like this, as I be like this, where I no get time for makeup, I no get time for anything, they still won't sleep with me. See that one they shout wow, wow, wow because he see breast. Married man, oh. It don't be. I go just enter firewood business. Anybody where owe me for this firewood business, I go kill him and move on. Life goes on. Na firewood business, oh. Papa.
Hey. Thank God, sir, I see you here. I be one confirm other, you know now. What do you cook? You cook for house?
Yes.
What do you cook?
Bread and shit.
Be serious now. I don't got the catch man now.
I bet I no cook anything at the vex.
What did they vex you now? Okay, my follow you now. More they go house.
You see as you be like this, eh? Now food go kill you.
What the man want do? See, I know say you get Gary for house and they come, my babe. I don't need groundnut. Just get okay.
Oh my word. Amaka, do you know I never thought of that? Oh, this is beautiful. That's so thoughtful of you. Do you know, my mind didn't go there. I never thought of this. That's brilliant. But we're not in good terms.
You have to be now. Yes, you need an eye in that village. If not for anything, for your 2 daughters. Huh? No one is useless. Think about it.
Hi.
I don't need anything. Thank you.
Okay. I'm Chef.
Lugard. Chef Lugard, I know. Why are you stalking me in my father's house?
No, I'm not stalking you. I just want to make sure you're fine.
Well, I'm fine. I never complained, okay? Can I get some space in this house?
It's fine.
Don't
it's fine.
worry.
My man. So of all girls in this neighborhood, our gas first daughter, boy. I pity you.
Paul.
Obia.
Paul. See, I'm just trying to be a friend, nothing else.
Friend, bestie. What of that girl where her mama they sell her, where got her eyes on you? Why you not like I'm back? Is she not worthy to be your friend also?
Paul.
Obia.
You be like say you don't dey forget me. You don't dey forget me, abi? Yeah. Paul, not let me near you. You be like say you dey craze. Nonsense.
Alpha, my guy. Afra prison they wait for you, relax. He go soon come, yeah? You want to
My God. Dad. When are we traveling to the village? I really can't wait.
Not far from now. This weekend.
Okay, fine.
Cool. Mom says she's not coming with us.
Of course, I need to take care of that business and the house as well.
No, Mom.
What?
Who's gonna stay with us at the village house? Who's gonna do all the house chores, the cooking, the laundry?
Yeah.
Who's gonna do all that?
Well, you are posing that question to someone who is in charge. Sweetheart, you promised looking for someone to...
I've gotten someone already. So she's staying with you till the period you live in the village. She's going to cook, do the laundry and the cleaning, go to market, get you fruits, just name it. You don't need to worry.
Okay. Cool. Manageable.
Come on, I want your food. I want you.
I don't mind cooking some. Maybe pack enough veggies and fruits. So that when you get to the village, you keep it.
I'm a good cook myself.
Oh, Dad! Alright, cool. Okay, that'll be fun with Daddy, yeah, I know.
You need to relax. It's a gradual process. Give me time. Okay? Don't worry. Just give me time. Yes.
I know the naka. Alpha. Where my food? I be no go chop this night.
How long have you been standing here?
Me? Ha! Me we just dey come back na. Alpha, where my food? You know what? Alpha, where my food? Nah, the problem.
Yes, honey. What's it?
Sweetheart.
Yes, dear.
I called you so that we can sort out a few things.
Okay.
Yes. You know we'll be planning my trip to the village. But something tells me that you are not too happy with it.
Why?
And I am suspecting that you think I'm going there to see your former maid, Philomena.
Philomena? Why do you talk about her? She's married, right? Besides, I'm under your command. Who am I to say no to your conclusion?
I know. I acknowledge the fact that you respect me as your husband, but your body language tells me that you are suspecting me. So that's why I felt that we should discuss it before I leave.
Honey?
Yes, sweetheart.
Are you still having an affair with Philomena? A married woman?
What? Please stop it. Our daughters are in the house. How can you say such a thing?
Because the way you are reacting and your tone, there's this guilt in it. Are you still seeing her? Tell me you're not doing it, are you?
Sweetheart, I take exception to that accusation. Listen, I am going to the village for a purpose. Alright? I'm not going there to see any woman. I'm going there for a project. I will execute that project and come back. The only reason I asked you to stay back is for you to take care of things here, particularly management of the company. So please, don't accuse me of something I am not guilty of, okay?
Okay. I'll believe you. Shall we? Let's go and sleep.
Now you're talking.
Evildoers everywhere. Evildoers, negative thinkers. They cannot be trusted at all. Oh. Beware of them. Oh. Beware of them for your own safety. Don't give them chance. The opposite of what they say. The opposite of what they
do. Auntie.
Yes, dear.
I left for a dream and they see this kind of free shop. Oh.
Wow. You mean you eat in the dream?
Yes, sir. I shop for a dream. Oh. Hey. But now things don't cost. And then they see big man food, they shop for dream again. It's also Gary they drink. SARS AC just they blew me. Everywhere just they punky, they pockish. Sister, you fine?
Thank you. And you too. You're so pretty. This is natural beauty. No makeup. With your low cut. Thank God we're reconciled. I am so grateful to God.
Me too. See, anybody will carry my matter for head go die through it.
Amen.
Nothing past recon. I didn't tell them you know. Reconciliation. Bam! And the word that they find be that. You see what I mean? See this one.
Yes, it's so.
I know they're funny, but I know they take nonsense. So anybody where do any they collect sharp.
That is why you're here. There's something I want you to do for me. We need to talk. And I believe you are the only niece of mine that can do that. Yes.
What be that?
Finish eating.
Okay.
If this is not enough, I'll show you to the kitchen, okay?
Correct.
No, they talk this kind of thing now. You don't supposed to reason this kind of thing twice. Say make you agree. In fact, call your auntie now. Call her if you don't get card, I go borrow 100 naira buy card. Call her say you go walk. Tell her say you dey interested in that work. Walk and run am. Opportunity come but once so.
Or four.
No, they offer me. What do you want even go do for that house? Which work where you want go work for that house? No be to look after your niece them. No, they never grown our children. They see they wear pampers. No be to just stay the house, look after them, correct them, cook for them, do one or two things for them. If you need help, come here. I go come help you run out. Since your mama died, this your auntie don't call you like this before. No lose guard oh.
Offer.
No they offer me. No they offer me. I dey vex. What you even dey for that house where you want go do self? No be to take care of your niece them. Niece them wey don't grow. Abi they see they wear pampers. Cook for them, clean house, do one or two. If you tire, call me. I go come help you run waiting there for that. I'll come help you do the work. No lose this opportunity, oh. You don't say you don't dey make me vex, so you don't they make me feel like say nah, you no be my G again, oh.
The thing be say, she won't make her do another thing, join her. She say make her put her for her husband. That man they fear me, oh. I want to put eye for her. She won't make her dey monitor her husband. Eh?
If your auntie wants to make you bring down that roof, put for your head. If you want me kill the man, kill him. I go even help you go kill the man sef. See, no time, no be they tell me to that day say I no get work. Now work don't come, you don't dey Jones, no lose guard oh. See, you need mind, you need to get mind to make money oh. This offer never do. I mean this offer never do. See money what they involve. You know say as it be like this, now anything where you tell your auntie, she go they believe, they believe. You go from there, they collect more money, we go they run one or two, they do one or two. Opportunity collect money from your auntie, even they give her wrong information about her husband.
Oh, for you they mad? What did they do you? You want make my auntie widow? I don't understand. What are you yarn?
I mentioned widow now. I no talk. I just the yarn now. Wait.
No, not like that. I cannot the yarn no partner. You the yarn dust now. Which kind of rubbish be this? I beg. You don't vex me. I beg make I dey come up for here.
My G.
Make I keep my auntie because of money. I don't be that kind of person. No.
You don't reach like that. Where you go the waka come out from where I did. See, you must take that walk, oh. You must take that walk. Which kind of witch be this now? Eh? If you collect that money now, at least you go they cable me small change from the money. Now me be the only person who will give you correct advice. Oh, no opportunity be this. So what did they do this, babe? Now opportunity come but once. The money what they involved. If she collects now, she go they give me my own. Things go they balance. We go they buy anything we want buy. See, I go do even if na juju, I go do. Make I change your mind. You must take that walk. Oh, you must take that walk. Oh, my G. So.
Neka, please now. See, I love you, and you know I love you very well. I still love you so much. Biko, don't leave me.
But your Odogu is dead. You no longer have scrotum. Can you live without scrotum? The doctor said to our hearing that your Odogu is gone. Right now, what you have there is a wee house. My brother, I was in love with you because of your Odogu. The thing was going. You know how to get the corner. This left, right, center. Oh, you never noticed center you finish with me like this. I answer you, yes, sir. Okay, you were thinking that I have respect for elders, Abi. My brother, it is because of your Odogu. Bro, I beg, don't make me vomit.
Neka, look, let me tell you something. Love is not all about Ifen Soli. You see, the good thing is that we have that heart connection.
So why is cheating a problem? Why is cheating a problem? See, let me confess. Let me not even hide my feelings. Let me just confess. Let me confess. This your Odogu was my life. This your Odogu was all I had. This your elder brother. Jesus, I can die for this your elder brother, but look at it, night has gone. My brother, you carry. Hey, this thing was a matter. This thing was my life. See, I could die for this thing. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. This thing, Jesus, my brother, you can do. But right now, it's not a wee house. It's gone. See, don't make me vomit.
Please. I know that the doctors said that this thing cannot work again, but doctors say, doctors are humans. What about my own personality? Did you hear them speak? Anything can still happen tomorrow. Anything can still happen. They are not gods. Biko.
What do you want to use and try?
Odogo can still walk tomorrow anytime.
With what?
You never can tell.
With what, my brother?
Please.
Yeah, you want to use your hand? Does your hand have veins? Can your hand smell me?
Don't let Emeka do this to us. Please, Biko, I love you.
My brother, this thing has gone. This is not a wee house. I cannot come and die. Can you live without scrotum? No, can you live without scrotum? You want me to come and stay here and suffer myself? Can you live without scrotum?
Okay, let us try.
Try with your hand.
Can we just try? You never can tell. Please. That's why I called you.
Oh God, my love, my love. Jesus, oh God. I want to love you, feeling you've gone. Hey! Rest in peace, my brother.
Neka, don't walk. Neka, Biko, please. Biko, please. I still love you. Biko. What kind of thing is this? What kind of life is this? At the moment, Biko, Neka, please, Biko.
Can I tell you the truth? Forget about her. You know why? We women, we know what we want in men. Yes! It's not about money, it's not about anything. Down there, Bola, Odogu is life. Yes!
Will you shut up your dirty mouth, woman? Huh? What are you trying to imply here? Are you trying to mock my younger brother or what?
Hey. Leave me alone, Ezenna, leave me alone, I am not talking to men that don't know how to take care of their wives in bed. Yes, leave me alone. Ha!
Huh? Men that don't know how to take care of their wife in bed. Me, I don't know how to take care of you in bed. Yet, I give you 7 good rounds regularly.
Philo! Anybody that hears now would think that you've done something spectacular. 7 rounds with no evidence. Show me the evidence. 7 rounds, no child to show for it. Is that not a waste of rounds? Is it not? Is it not because you're very jobless that you're doing all of this? You have all the time to sit down and show me that you can hit me front and back. If you had something doing outside, won't you be there fending for your family? 7 rounds. Oga, I see you. You try.
Don't worry. I don't blame you. Just because I'm done now. But don't ever use this event to mock my younger brother again.
Me? I'm not the one mocking him. You're the one mocking your brother. And the fact remains that he has torn scrotal sac. Yes, his scrotum is damaged. You should go find a solution to it than sit down here and feel that I am the cause of your problem. I am not the cause of your problem. Go and find solution to your brother's problem. A word is enough. Nice. Give it to me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll soon drive you out of this house. You go and meet those men that you are using because of them to disrespect me.
Family of broken scrotum. Family of damaged scrotal sac. Broken scrotum.
Brother, see, look, let us stop this unnecessary argument now. I think we should be discussing about now is how to find solution to this problem. On not this argument. That is actually what I'm looking forward to. And you are busy arguing. Leave her now, please. I can't continue like this for the rest of my life now. I will kill myself.
No, you cannot do that.
Because you don't know the pain I'm going through now.
I'm seeking solution for you, and I will seek more solutions for you. Please. Now. Because
Neka.
Jeff Luger or whatever your name is. Everything about you reminds me of Jack, the gold digger. Foolish and stupid, irresponsible ex. Now leave my sight and stop trying to get familiar with me.
Someone stop.
Sorry. Get the hell out of this place. I'm sorry for your miserable life. Idiots.
That was harsh. Damn.
I don't care what your side is, okay? He's trying to get familiar with me. I don't like it. Can't you see the resemblance? Huh? Can't you see the resemblance that he looks like Jack? Everything about him reminds me of him. Ew.
No, I don't think he looks like Jake at all. He doesn't. You know what? I think you're being delusional. Yeah, you're missing Jake a whole lot. You're always talking about him. Last night, you say that the security guy was acting like Jake. That's crazy. Who does that?
Did I?
Yeah, you did. Listen, you just gotta put all this out of your chest, okay? You just have to relax. Have fun. We're here to have fun. We're here to just, relax at home and see people, interact with people, and have a lot of fun. But you're not doing that. You are not doing it. You're just here thinking about Jake. That's insane.
This Jeff is a gold digger. Yes, I know what I'm saying. When I see one, I will recognize them. Yes.
No, I don't think it is, okay? You just need to, I don't know what's wrong with you. So Ma, you just need to calm down,
Oh, please.
Oh.
I swear, from today, you not be my friend again. You not be my friend again. Just they go your way. They go your way.
I agree. Yes. We could not be friends again.
Me and you agree something, finish.
On something. Once we enter that house, I just they look you, you just they misbehave, they do. Before I know it's you blow you, reformat your brain, you begin misnyan.
Or for me, you not agree anything, no. How you go say you won't go do get man for my auntie house? Get man where our two daughters come for holiday, then they give fish to rats make you keep. I don't agree.
But they don't come in now.
Your bola no go let you concentrate. I know you.
You be like say they mad. In fact, you dey crazy. Such they worry you for head.
I agree.
See, Ogun wan kill you.
Insult me all you can. I dey stupid. I dey mad. I agree. But you see that house? Person they give yam to goat make he keep. And so you give Veronica belle the other day, you deny him.
I talk am. I don't the reason. I don't say one day you go use that matter attack me. See, make I tell you for the record. We dey 4 guys wey knack Veronica. So no be me give her belle. You dey hear me so? Now because I don't want cast her matter that time.
No talk, I no ask you. But you see that house, make you know say ordinary messenger work. You no go see for that place. Now me talk. Yes.
See, from today, I swear you no be my friend again. You no be my friend again. Say na this same work. When me convince you, now me talk you, tell you say make you take that work, tell you what you go gain, and now you can't treat me like this. You don't be a better person.
I don't be your friend again. Who your friendship help? When you convince me to collect the job, I not buy you mods. I buy your beer, I not buy you. I even give you chill juice. You almost even swallow the cup. You don't hear the hand of pata. You talk. I beg.
Don't be hot mods. You want cold?
What's it hot?
Don't be hot.
Everybody can say they're cold.
You buy or you put bombs.
They get free for that. Don't be village, you. Don't be where you come from. That place is a mansion.
You buy me
everything cold. We could not be friends again. I like them.
They go. They go. It be my enemy from today.
Make it be. Carry yourself. They go.
No turn back.
No near me again, no.
If you look back, you go turn to salt.
Under fire.
I will tell you. If you look back, you go turn to salt. Look back again. Now, if you no turn to salt here now, say I be like Lord's wife. See, I hate you. Nah, this girl, but they go your way, sir. They go down the way. Nobody go come. You go come meet me for advice. Come meet me for advice. Just the advice of
You like it? I know you would like it because I took my time to make sure that I position the thighs and the breasts very well. Yes. Oh, Chief, relax. You're coming back next week now. When you come, you will see me in full flesh and blood. Yes. Yes. Another one. Oh, Chief. Okay. My breath. This is the last time. Okay. Hold on. Have you seen it? Yes, no nipple for you today. I just showed you the up so you see how fresh it is. Big daddy.
Philo,
Eh?
what are you doing?
Oh, Eze,
What are you doing?
when did you come back?
Who are you talking to on that phone?
I was just talking to my father now. Eh? Meanwhile, why you always asking me this kind of questions now?
Who were you talking to on that phone?
I just said my father. What is the problem now? Why do you have trust issues when it comes to me? Eh? And why are you back so soon? Your mates are out there trying to fend for their families. You're coming back every 2 seconds to know what Philo is doing in the house. Because don't disturb me. Oh. What is it now?
You are talking to your father.
Mm-hmm.
And you saw me and you got shocked.
Shocked? Me?
Shebi, this is marriage. It's marriage. Where is my brother Nwoka?
You went out. Why are you always disturbing me now? Eh? What is it? Can't I breathe in this house? Eze, leave me alone. Oh. Leave me alone in this house. Let me breathe. Leave me, Eze. Go out and hustle like your mate. What is it, self, in this house? Eh? Go and hustle. Leave me alone, Eze. Leave me up for my capital.
See, cops. What am I going to do? Yes, I will bring her in. Then I will tell my daughters that she's their cousin. Yes, the mother is my younger sister. She's their long lost cousin. Then I will look for a very fine room for her, close to my bedroom upstairs. This weekend is going to be grandiose. It will be.
Dad.
My angel. How are you?
Are you okay?
No. Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Do you need anything? If it is money, you want me to take you out, buy you clothes, whatever, I'll do it for you.
No, Dad, I'm okay. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you heard from Mom? I haven't heard from her. Is she back yet?
Yes, she's on her way back.
Oh.
So she was the one I was chatting with before you came. She went to see a friend, and it's like they went for an event.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Someone and I are already packing up for tomorrow.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Great. That is great. Very great.
All right,
fantastic.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I'm gonna leave you to talk to Mom. I'll be inside. Love you, Dad.
Oh, lovely mom.
Good.
You will see me very soon, okay?
All right, Dad.
Hey. Philo, it's either you kill me or I kill you. Look at that. Yes, this weekend is a weekend.
What can I do for you?
Wise one. Both of us, we've agreed to kill our brother. Yes, our brother, Chief Nicholas. He's a very rich man. But he gives us small money. Very, very small money.
Wise one.
He gives us very little money. Chicken money like this.
It's very, very greedy and wicked. Yes.
We want to take him out so that we can acquire his properties. After all, he doesn't have any male child attached to his name. Just 2 daughters.
Toros for that matter. 2 toro. Eh?
Run around the pepper plant, but you can never climb it.
Wise one.
Consider it done.
Wise one. He's coming back this weekend, just as he told us. And we want to pay him a visit.
Whenever he comes back, what does he like to drink?
Wise one is simple now. palm wine. I usually bring to him fresh palm wine. But this time around, we've already agreed that the one we're going to bring, all of us will drink it together. Yes, palm wine, fresh one.
Surugada is a dance of the spirit. Surugada. And those that want to dance the dance of the spirit must first learn the footsteps of the spirit. Okilikili kana buku ose. Ada eli. Take this. Put it in the palm wine. Let him drink. But I must warn you, do not drink with him. I say again, do not drink with him. After that, he will sleep and wake up in the other side of life.
Good. I like it. Yes, I like it. What? You're a very good man, eh? Thank you very much. We're happy. Okay. Come on, let's go. Your lawyer engine. Lawyer 24. Oh, tate. I will marry his wife, Juliet. Really? That woman is very beautiful. And what about if she refuses? She will go back to her father's house. After all, she doesn't have a male child for our brother. So yes, and you, your wife is still alive. My wife is no more. I will take the wife. Yes. Yeah. Okay. What about if she refuses? What is my business with that? After all, we will accuse her of killing our brother. Yes. By that, we will push her away and take our brother's property. My eyes are on his company. Yes. So also my eyes are on his company as well. Who knows? You want to take the wife and take the company. Then Aaron. But we don't know how to manage the company now. Who said? We will employ somebody who will manage it, and my own share will be much more higher than yours. Mazi. You Mazi. Okay, let's get somebody to manage it. Flow. My flow. Look, I don't like where you are. You are too fine now. Just look at you. Look, let me tell you. That village is not for you. I mean, why would you marry such a man? The man is a poor man, a pauper. Look, I am going to. Look, by the time I finish with you, you won't know what I'll feed you. I will take you around the world. You remember that song? If you are my flow, I will take you around the world. I will take you places where you never. So don't worry, I'm going to take you from that man. I'm coming. Okay? You don't belong to the village.
Oh, come, sweet come.
Look, you take care of that car. Repair it very, very well. You have to change the tires, change all of them to brand new. You have to change the brake pads. In fact, we rewrap the seats, okay? Make sure everything is fine so that I don't have accident with it when I want to use it. Okay. All right, sweetheart.
Honey?
You're welcome.
I thought you people are going by air. So why maintaining the car? Besides, Matthew is supposed to drive to the village alone.
Sweetheart, you are forgetting something.
What?
When we drop at the airport, how do we get to the house? So Matthew will come and pick us. Moreover, I need a car to move around with my beautiful daughters, and most importantly, to see my brothers.
Talking of your brothers, I told you about the terrible dream I had, right? You need to be very careful around them. What you eat and drink, what you take from them. Please.
Sweetheart, these are my brothers. We came out of the same womb. We sucked the same breast. Okay, why would they kill me? I take care of them. I send them money. The one that lost the wife, I'm going to marry another wife for him. I'm going to renovate their houses, so why would they kill me?
I just want you to be careful, that's all.
Well, it's all right. No problem. So how was your journey?
Hectic. But I managed to push through. Let me see my daughters first.
Oh, it's all right.
Hold the people to get my luggage.
You're welcome. Eh?
All right, thank you. Oh.
That was my wife. She just came back from a trip. So we'll talk later. But send me pictures. Eh? Pictures. More. Those ones show your your headlight. The back side, the front side. The sideways, everything. Okay.
Joy! Baby, you know I told you I would take good care of you, but you thought I was joking.
I mean, you said so. I am sorry. See, that time I didn't have sense. But now I have sense. All my senses have come back to me. Yeah, I was dating that girl called Onwuka. I've been dating the call.
You mean that useless one?
Yeah.
That one that is...
No longer working.
Just tell me, what can he do in this world without his Odogu? Odogu and is no longer functioning.
It's not working.
It's not working.
How can he handle this? Lezenu one.
Sure, and he wants me to stay. Can you imagine? Very wicked idiot. Oh man, don't forget about that. Don't forget about him.
Don't you call my name. Don't you ever call my name there.
Bikono, I'm still begging. Please, Neka, please, I beg you. Look, you are the only love of my life, and you know that. Since I met you, I have never seen or touched another woman. Ne, please, now, I cannot concentrate on anything. See, I will die if you continue doing this kind of thing you're doing to me.
If I tell you that I don't have a womb, will you stay? Will you stay?
Oh, guy, if you want to die, go and die. But if you don't know how to die, I can show you a way to die. What can you do for her now? If she position this thing for you now, can you handle it?
My position.
You can't because Odogu game around. It wasn't okay. You are not longer a man.
Emeka, I'm not talking to you.
If people, let me tell you the truth. Don't want to cables you.
I'm not talking to you.
Shut up!
Don't get yourself involved in this matter.
Shut up!
I'm involved already.
Ne, please,
don't you
now,
ever
Biko,
shout
Biko,
at my baby again.
Biko.
My darling,
Mommy.
Let's go and leave this girl here.
My dear, let's go back to the house. Let me give you one round. You know, hot.
Now you know talk since. Now you dey talk small.
My dear.
Vivian.
See this one.
Abi should we give him because
Emeka.
Vivian like you. Oh, should we name him Ngozi?
Emeka, please, Biko.
My love, my grandmother is sick. I need some money to get her medicines. And my mom is not taking her calls. And I'm worried. I know you don't have money, but you can at least do something for me. Please.
No, my love. I'm so sorry about your grandmother's health. I'm so sorry. But you know I don't have money. You just said it now. But you know I don't have money. You just said it now. Honestly, I would have done something so fast. You know, I don't waste time in this kind of situation. Because I don't.
But love is all about sacrifice, right? You can at least sacrifice something for me. What is love without sacrifice?
I don't do it. My elder brother has warned me severally. As a matter of fact, he said I should not for any reason, climb any palm tree to cut down anything. You want me not to climb any palm tree at all. You want me never ever to climb any palm tree. No, if not, I would have done something very nice. You know me very well. Nene.
That means you don't love me. You don't. Because if you love me, you do anything for me. You don't. You've just been deceiving me. What is love without sacrifice? If you love me, you do anything to make me happy.
My sweetheart, look.
You cannot climb common tree. Common tree you cannot climb.
No, ma. Yeah, no, come. Elewu kwa kwa isi n'osisi. Elewu kwa egbuo ma n'ụkwụ. Guys, okay. Look. Guys, okay. See, for you, I will disobey my elder brother's instruction. I am going to try as much as I can to make it very quick. I will go and climb before I take down one bunch or two. The money will be complete. I will do that just for you.
Are you sure?
Come on now, see.
That means you love me.
Ebuben, onye ka mma ahụ n'anya, come here.
Thank you, I love you.
It's okay, sir.
I love you.
It's okay, baby. I love you too. Now me love you more.
I know you do anything
I
for me.
love you more. Oh,
nobody can come between
Elewu
us.
kwa kwa isi n'osisi.
What are you doing with Maja? I'm asking you, Onka, what are you doing with this?
Mazi Bekwe wants me to come and cut down some palm fruit for him. Why do you just keep acting as if I have not answered you before?
Onka, how many times will I tell you to stop climbing trees? Huh? How many times? What is wrong with you? You refused to go to Onitsha since I told you. You refused just because of that girl Neka. Oh, you think I don't know?
Brother, I will live on Onitsha when I want. Because I will leave to the city when I want to leave. Because, you know, just allow me to concentrate on sharpening this knife. Before I'm going to go back, I'll get it yourself.
Hi. I knew you will return back to climbing. I know you return back to climbing just because of her. You want to buy her body lotions and other things. Onka, let me warn you. The day you will fall down from a tree in this village and injure yourself, I will not come for you. I will carry you to our grandmother and you will remain there with them. Yes, you will remain there with them. I have said my own.
I will not fall.
This your youthful age is deceiving you.
Did I just start climbing today? I started climbing since 15 years. You know that very well. So why will I just start falling today? Every time you jump, you're shouting. What kind of elder brother are you, Seth? Always, can you ever just bring your voice down to talk to your younger brother?
Awuka, why will I bring my voice down? I've warned you, and I've been warning you, and I will continue to warn you. Awuka, just look at you. You chose to remain in this village. You refuse to go to the city and work hard like your mates. But you chose to remain in this village all because of that nonsense girl in Neka. Don't worry, I've spoken my own. I have said my own.
Neka, you caused this on me. And now you broke up with me. You tear my heart into shreds, just in a twinkle of an eye. God, I should have listened to my brother when he was forcing me to leave this village. Look at me now. Just look at me now. Will I remain like this forever? God, help me now, please, God. Please help me. I am dying in pain. My heart breaks each time I look at what I did to myself, all because of Neka. Oh my God. I will never disobey my elder brother again. Never. As for Neka, my God will surely judge you.
entering my father's house. Hello, auntie. I don't understand. What's going on?
Who they talk? I dey find who they talk. Well, I don't understand. Bless we go retrain you well, oh. We go retrain you in African way. If like say you no dey understand wetin I dey talk, I no go stop person to enter the company when you wan carry palm wine enter here for wetin na?
And so, what is your business if they bring palm wine to my house? Are you the one to determine what should come to my house and what shouldn't come? Huh? Who do you think you are? This is my compound and I determine what comes here. Hi.
But I tell them make they test the palm wine, they no gree. I tell them say, you wan carry palm wine come see my oga? They say yes. Test this palm wine when you wan carry come my oga. They no gree. They begin dey shout. Say as if you see as their eyes dey red, they open eye for me oh. If not be say I come here, they for defeat my morale. Test palm wine, they come dey do like say na shit I say make them drink. Oga ma clear you see that palm wine, no be pure palm wine. No be pure palm wine, no cap. Even if they wear cap, no cap. I be village Agungo. I die and live here. I mean they control the cabal where they for this place. Nobody they cross boundary for this place. If you do anyhow.